DIY lovers, are you ready to turn your creativity to the next level? Grab your tools and let's get started. These are the artificial flowers that change the look of the house. Get a needle and thread, and we are about to start an amazing project here. It's the perfect lamp decoration to brighten up your room. This activity is so easy. Our next project will make any space of the house look special. Dress the vase with these beautiful flowers. We made them all by ourselves. So pretty! Since Halloween is around the corner, let's make some spooky DIY crafts. These little pumpkins are here to make your Halloween night better. Can you guess what we're making next? We're rolling the sides of the tissue like this to shape some awesome flowers. And our special flower bouquet is ready. Stay tuned for the next part of the video, cause you will see some amazing DIY projects. It's lovely to see your crafts around the house. Looking beautiful. Our next idea is surprisingly easy to DIY if you follow these instructions. These flowers turn a cheap vase into a gorgeous piece. Because your living room isn't complete unless you have this piece of creativity here. These ideas keep getting better and better. Do you agree? Here is our next idea. We can't get enough of how beautiful this one will look. Perfect ideas even for beginners. Looks wonderful. Want to teach your kids how to make flowers from scratch? Try this. It's a very simple process. They will also have fun while making it. And to think that all you need is a sheet of paper. Hope you enjoyed this video.